Hi, good evening. This is Scott with StockMarketMentor.com and your free chart of the day. Want to talk about Luckin Coffee. This is ticker LK. Now, Luckin Coffee has been kind of a chop fest lately, but it looks like it's trying to move back to the upside. Today, it popped up just above the daily 50-period simple moving average and did it on higher than average volume. So nice move here today from Luckin Coffee. And as you can see, it not only popped up above a major moving average, but it also kind of broke this downward sloping trend line here. Now, one thing I will warn you about is this stock on a short-term time frame, it can easily kind of shake you out. If I zoom in here on a 5-minute chart, you can see you kind of need a little bit of a looser stop on this stock because it does kind of flush down and then run back up. You know, I took a position in this stock kind of around this area here as it broke above this level on volume. And, you know, I kind of had a tight stop, and it ended up flushing me out here only to make me buy back later at a higher level. And there's few things as frustrating as that. But from a daily perspective, I really like Luckin Coffee. And so I think we could possibly get a swing at least up to, around 23 bucks. And that would be testing that level right here, which it tested the last time it broke down. So from, just a logical standpoint, if it is going to continue, I think at least that $23 level could act as an area of resistance. So there's two entries here. You could watch for a break of today's intraday high on volume, or potentially watch for a test of the 50-day moving average. So there you go. That's one stock I'm watching today. If you want more charts like this delivered to your inbox, be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com.